We have already learned about the different laws of indices or exponents. Now we are going to apply this to evaluate the following. You can see the question says that 3 by 5 to the power minus 2, and we need to solve this equation. How can we do that? See, it's going to be very simple. Over here you can see minus 2. The power is minus 2. Remember, whenever there is a minus in the power sign, we need to make the reciprocal of the given number. So in order to remove this minus sign from the power, we have to make the reciprocal of this, that is reverse the position. 5 by 3, and over here now the minus sign gets removed, the 2 remains as it is. Now we need to evaluate it. 5 by 3 whole square, which means 5 square and also 3 square, which comes to 5 into 5, 25. As I told you, square means to multiply it by itself, and 3 square is 3 into 3, 9. So this is my answer to this question. Let's take another example. See, it's given minus 3 to the power minus 3. Now we can't do anything about it right now. First, see the power. It is minus. So in order to remove this minus, we have to make a reciprocal of this. Minus 3 by 1 means minus 3 by 1. So minus 3 means it is divided by 1, which is minus 3. So reciprocal of it would make it 1 by minus 3. You know, minus sign over here, it actually means it's irrational. So we are not going to write it over here. We will assume that we have multiplied both the sides with, like over here, this with minus 1 and this as well with minus 1, which we have learned in rational number. So we will assume that we don't have to show this in our working. We will write the minus sign over here. So it will become minus 1 by 3. Now you can see, as I have made the reciprocal of this number, therefore this minus sign of the power is removed. So this becomes only 3. Now we are going to solve it. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, and there is a minus sign to it. So minus, minus and minus. Remember, no matter how many minus signs are there, if there is a minus sign and the power is an odd number, the sign will be negative. Like over here, 3 is an odd number, so it's, you can see minus into minus plus into minus, it will be minus. So the simple trick to remember is, whenever you have even number power and there is a minus sign, then the answer will be plus, and if you have odd number, then the answer will be minus. So here 3 is an odd number, so the final answer will be minus. So minus 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27, and 1 remains here. So this is the answer to this question. Let's go for another question. 2 by 7 to the power minus 4. Over here, 2 by 7, the same theory we will apply. If there is minus sign, so we will make a reciprocal of this. So my answer would become 7 by 2, and the sign will be 4. Now 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, that is 7 into 7 49, and 7 into 7 49, 49 into 49 is 2401, and the 2's will be also repeated 4 times. So it will be 2401 by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 2 16. So this is the answer to my question. Now we are going to simplify. See, my question given is this. Okay, it's a big one. We have to simplify it. It's very simple. You can see, first spot the negative powers. Here there is a negative power, here there is a negative power, and here as well there is a negative power. And the whole thing, then it is to the power minus 1. So first we will consider the minus signs which is within the bracket first. So open the third bracket and then write down 1 by 2. Why? Because there is a sign, minus sign. So make a reciprocal of it. This to the power 1, anything to the power 1 is the number itself. So we can omit writing that. Similarly, the next one, 4 to the power minus 1, which means 1 by 4 to the power 1 means the same thing, we can omit it. Then plus, we've got 3 to the power minus 1, which means 1 by 3. This bracket is closed. You can see there is a minus 1 sign to it. Write the minus 1 sign here. First, let's solve the bracket. See, there will be an LCM of 2, 4, and 3. So 2, 4, and 3 LCM. 2, 4, and 3. It will be 12. I'll show you how. 2, it is 1, 2, and 3. So 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12. So this is my signs. My LCM is 12. So this will be multiplied by 6. So 6 plus, this is 4. So it is into 3 is 12. So multiply the numerator with 3 as well. So this is 3. Then we have got plus, there is again 3. So 3 into 4 is 12. So multiply this with 4 as well. So we get 4 here plus 4. Shorten this line. The whole thing to the power minus 1. First let's solve this. 6 plus 3 plus 4. This is 13 by 12 to the power minus 1. Because there is a minus 1 sign to it, that is why make a reciprocal of this. So this becomes 12 by 13 to the power 1, which means 12 by 13. So this is the answer to this question. Now we will move to the next question. See, 4 to the power minus 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. We have learned this. And a to the power 0, 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. It's a law of indices. So this becomes 1 firstly. Plus 4 to the power 2. So it is 4 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power, 2 to the power 3, and the whole thing is multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2. So make it 1 by 3 to the power 2. Because of this minus sign, the 3 becomes 1 by 3. And the power 2 remains 2. Now let's solve this. 1 plus 4 into 4 is 16 minus 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 to the power minus 3 into 3, 9. 16 plus 1, it's 17 minus 8, 9 into 1 by 9. Cancel it out. The answer that you get is 1. So this is how we are going to do this sum.